Urugari wa kiuteti uria wambiriirie kunyita thinga guku bururi-ini mbere ya githurano kia mwaka ukite ndugathararia mathomo kana igeranio iria ibangiirwo mwaka ukite. Minister wa githomo George Magoha niwe uheanite riboti ino akiuga mwaka ukite Kanju ya igeranio iri na kibarua gia kuhaririria na gukinyiria igeranio iria ibangiirwo.
I want to thank those of you who have worked with the other experts to develop test questions which have now formed the tests and examinations that will be done in March, when we shall do 2 of them, and in December, when 3 of them shall be done.
Thutha wa kigeranio gia KCPE na KCSE mweri-ini wa gatatu, arutwo aria mari kirathi gia 7 na kirathi gia form 3 hamwe na arutwo aria mekuingira grade ya gatandatu mwaka ukite othe mageka kigeranio kiao mweri-ini wa ndithemba.
We are in a transition year in an African country, which is very strange, isn't it? Because people think everybody stops because the politicians are doing their own thing. Oh, we don't stop. The children are going to school. The children shall have their examination in December of next year. And for you, I want to prepare you properly. I'm hoping that there is no re-election so that I'm free, but I will have, our duty is to prepare those examinations.
Thirikari ndikurugamia mubango wa kurihira arutwo igeranio ona aria mari rungu rwa mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBC.
Even for the close to over 2 million children having exams in March, the government has paid for each and every one of them, both in primary school and secondary school, and that policy is not going to change.
Miario ino eyumiririe hindi ya igongona ria kuruguria mitaratara ya uruti wa wira wa Kanju ya igeranio mwaka wa 2021-2026 mitaratara iria itanyitwo kurehe mogaruruku hari gukinyaniria maumirira mega ma arutwo na oho gutigirira ni maragacira ngathi-ini itiganite.
And my charge as we look at this strategic plan, Dr. Njegere, I hope if it's a 5-year strategic plan, then you must be able to measure every year. What is it that you are intending to achieve at this stage that you have not achieved? Nothing stops you from reviewing the strategic plan every year. So that at the end of your tenure, you say, no, this is what I have achieved. And when you leave, you can say, no, I have achieved 1, 2, 3, 4.
The plan takes cognizance of the government's Big Four agenda and lays strategies for KNEC to contribute to its achievement in assessment of technical and vocational education and training.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagogena Wawaduro.
Seated, I ask, I request Dr. Ibrahim